Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Day in the Life of an Insurance Agent. It is early Monday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. I have a lot of work to do, so I am getting right to it this morning. Over the weekend, I was a vendor at a back to school event. It was a great event. A lot of people showed up. I have over 41 names of people that want to get information on some quotes and things like that. So right now what I'm doing is just putting all of these people in my CRM, putting all the information, the rapport that we may have built, also reminders of when to follow up with them. Some people want today, some people want Tuesday, some people want Wednesday. So just want to get everything together with that. And so I'm going to work on that, and then I'll check in with you all a little later. I don't know how much I can record today. I'll try to record all day. I have a lot of stuff to get through. Happy Tuesday, y'all. It's the day after Labor Day. I am at one of my friends' apartment complex working today. It's a really nice setup I have. And it's been a crazy busy day. And I said, you know what? Let me get the camera to talk to y'all while I work today. What have I done? It's 11:51. I have started my campaign for life insurance. I've dropped like the reel already today. I have the post coming out. I'm doing an event with an estate attorney about life insurance and estate planning. I had a life insurance meeting today. Need to send her the quotes that I have got from the underwriter. I had another really big meeting that is going to be really good for my business. And then while I was on that meeting, I got 2 referrals from 2 different state farms. So I'm working on those now. And then my next meeting is at 1 p.m. So an hour about health insurance. And then I have a 1:30 meeting, a 2 o'clock meeting, and then I have a 4:30 meeting and a 6 o'clock meeting. So just trying to get everything done. It's a lot of stuff all at once, which is why I need to hire somebody ASAP. But I just got all the information for the quote, so I'm going to work on all this stuff, and I'll check in with y'all a little later on. Oh, and I also closed 2 deals. Like first thing this morning, it was 2 policies for landlords. It was 2 people that were renting out like homes long term. Well, not 2 people. It was the same people renting out 2 homes for like long-term tenants. So I just did that this morning, closed those, and I have a few more deals to close as well today. So just trying to get everything caught up. I have 50 more client follow-ups to do today as well, and I'm just praying that I can get through everything today. I am going through the quotes that I've gotten back. It was a few that I sent off just because they had certain health issues and things like that, and I just had my underwriter pretty much rate them to make sure that they look appropriate and everything is lining up. So I'm going through those now, I'm putting those in the correct files, and then just making sure that everything looks good, following up with the clients, because of course it's National Life Insurance Awareness Month, and we are turning up on life insurance, just trying to meet certain goals, trying to clear a certain amount of dollars, and just help a certain amount of clients as well. So definitely, doing all the things. So in this video, and any type of video I do in September, you're going to hear a lot of life insurance follow-ups. I'm still doing a good amount of PNC, but of course it being Life Insurance Awareness Month, I'm just doing a lot of life insurance focused activity. And so now I'm following up with a few clients about life insurance, following up with the prospects, people on my book of business that I've scheduled appointments with. The goal is to have as many appointments as possible this month, close as many deals. So I'm going to follow up with them, and I have my earphones in so you won't be able to hear anything. So I will follow up with y'all in a little bit. And are you going to use a card or a bank statement, bank draft? Perfect. And then what is the card number? Of course, and thank you so much. You have a good one. Thank you, bye. My client's adding on another vehicle for her auto insurance. And honestly, it was a brand new car, actually a truck, and the amount of premium I got from it was the equivalent to a regular auto insurance policy. So I always tell people, take care of your clients, because they're going to get new cars, they're going to add things on, and when they do, it's literally like another deal. So I'm just going ahead and putting all this information in. I have a meeting in 10 minutes. This shouldn't take long though. It's regarding his health insurance, and that usually takes me 5 minutes to do. And then after that, I'm just going to try to knock out some text messages that I got from clients. because I've been like in my tasks just doing all those, but I need to get to all the things my clients have texted me like over the weekend and things like that. I just need time to get to that because it's always just a lot. Again, which is why I need an operations manager ASAP. So hopefully that is coming very soon as well. All right, so since the last time we spoke, I closed 2 life insurance deals. Someone just reached out to me from my college, one of my frat brothers. He said, I'll read the message to y'all. He said, "What's going on, Kenny? Just secured a 6-figure bag," or meaning he just got a job that's paying $100,000 or more. "When can I lock in with you to start life planning?" He just lost his sister recently, and that kind of put in perspective for him. He needs to get life insurance because you never know what's going to happen. And his other siblings are having kids, so he really wants to protect his assets. So I am meeting with him today as well, which is really cool. I really hate that happened to his sister. I remember when it happened, I reached out, and it's just sad to see. I mean, I'm pretty sure she was no older than 25. It's so sad to see younger people leave. You know, people my age, people younger, people a little bit older. It's like heartbreaking to me. And just glad that he reached out and even has the mind to get that thing started. So I'm meeting with him in an hour. So I'm gonna put that on my calendar so I do not forget, because I have a meeting at 2:30 with someone. She's looking for home and auto though. So no life insurance there, but of course gonna talk to her about it. And then I just left some space because I need to like do some things for work. And I am seriously trying to hire. I know I said this early in the video, but it's on my mind constantly. I have to hire an operations manager, and I kind of did the numbers today. I have to just start really writing down the job description. So I just need to get back to that, because the amount of like work that I do every day, like I'm so pooped by the end of the day, and I'm so grateful. I'm so just thankful that I'm able to be this busy all the time, but I have to delegate it out. I've been watching a lot of really successful agency owner videos, interviews where they're talking about, oh, I have a $10 million book of business, $20 million book of business. And they're all saying the same thing. They delegate this stuff out. I have to delegate it out because I know that if I were to delegate 90% of this stuff out and I just did sales and marketing, I could clear $1 million in profit. So I just need to get to it and do that. So I'm gonna put that in my schedule, him, and then I have some other meetings I have to put down as well. We're in the midst of the campaign for National Life Insurance Awareness Month as well. So just trying to juggle all this. And then at the end of this month, September, I'm going out of the country for my cousin / best friend's birthday. So it's a lot going on for sure. And I'm just trying to juggle it all, which is why I need some type of assistance. And I don't just want to hire just anyone, because I feel like, they're overseeing a lot of my but a lot of my clients, a lot of personal information, sensitive information. So I want to make sure that I'm doing this right and make sure that I get someone that I can trust and so forth. So I have one person in mind that I'm going to reach out to and offer a position. And if not them, I'll probably I don't know which way I want to go about it, of advertising that, but I'm definitely going to figure it out. So that was a little rant for the day, what's on my mind, all these things going on. I have some more stuff to post on social media, so just trying to get everything like just going for real. So I'm about to make some calls, but I forgot to tell y'all I ordered a new headset. So this is my old headset, but I always have trouble like when I'm speaking to people on the phone, I can't really hear myself because these are very insulated, I guess. So I always have to do that. So I bought one of the headsets that just goes around this ear. I think it'll be here early next week. I should have been ordered that. But I do like these headphones, but it's time to get some new ones. And these are very expensive gamer earphones. And they definitely serve their purpose and they're really good. I'll probably still use them sometimes, but probably like to travel with. But these bad boys, They're solid. Kind of wanting to see like what you were looking for, because do you know like the two different options with life insurance, like permanent and term and all that good stuff? God forbid if you get like sick or anything, that policy is locked in. All right, and then if you have any other questions, let me know. But underwriting is pretty much going to take everything over. They're going to run all your medical records and just compare everything to the application to make sure everything is correct. And then they'll let me know once it's approved. I'll reach out to you and you will be good to go. Well, we will talk soon, and thank you so much for your business. All right, bye. So that was a deal that I just closed. It was a really big whole life insurance policy. I've been closing a lot of good deals this month. National Life Insurance Awareness Month goes to show you when you put your focus on something, it can be accomplished. So now just putting everything in my CRM, because he wasn't even in my CRM. I know him from college. He reached out via Instagram DM. We got on the call within 47 minutes. I presented, asked if he had questions, discussed that, wrote the application, and submitted it with payment. Hey man, I try to get everybody to submit with payment because that's the key, that's the ticket right there. I'm gonna go ahead and just get all this in the system. I have 2 more meetings today. So I know I'm closing a deal on one. It's another life insurance policy for her father. Really good premium. And then the other one is just a life insurance meeting. All right, calling the last deal of the day that I'm closing. It's for someone that reached out for her dad's life insurance. She's ready to move forward with it. This is the last deal of the day. I'm so excited to be done. I have a lot of like back end work to do. So I really need to like continue to work, but probably after this, because this will take a solid maybe 30 minutes to do everything. I'm gonna try to get it done a little faster, but I will take a break first, and then from there I will get back to work and get everything done. It's been a very, very, very productive day. I have some more meetings lined up for tomorrow as well, and possibly a good partnership coming for like social media aspect of things, like a brand deal. So working on that, and I'm going to follow up with the clients for tomorrow or prospects to confirm that we're good. And it's Wednesday already, which is amazing. I love short weeks. I love them. So I'll check back in with y'all once this is over. At this point, this day in the life is just days at a time, just segments and days. But I posted the next event I have coming up. I have to reach out to a client to complete like an accord form. I hate doing accord forms. They take forever. They're very tedious. But I'm reaching out to him to do that. So I'm going to listen to some music and get all my questions and type them up, and then give him a call to see if I can go ahead and get this application submitted. It's for a sign business. And we talked or spoke on yesterday, or we spoke 2 days ago. So I really need to reach back out to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this together. Then I have a meeting at 1. It's 11:49 now. I need to get this and a few other things done as well. So if I can get all that done before the meeting, and I need to review some notes before the meeting, then yeah, I'll be good. But let me get on this. I hate accord forms, man.
Friday, you issued 22 policies. So, that's outstanding considering the hard market we're in and how difficult it is to place business, right?
No, it is. Yeah, super hard right now.
Yeah, so I'm glad that we can be a little bit of help to you, man. That's important.
Thank you. Just got off the phone with the prospect that I met at the back to school event. Really good event. I was talking to her about insurance. She was looking for health insurance, so we got that squared away. And then I asked her about her life insurance. She explained to me how she has term insurance. I explained to her why she needs a whole life insurance for her. She's super young, and something to supplement that. So we are binding that on next Wednesday at 9 a.m. So I have her set up. She was very happy with everything. And now I'm just gonna continue to go through some tasks throughout the day. Working on today, I bound a auto policy. I have a business or commercial policy that I'm doing as well, and he said he's good to go with it. He just wants me to give him a call to go over the policy information or go over the coverage information. So he's ready to move forward with it. I just have to give him a call, get payment information, and then boom, we'll be good to go with that. And then I have a prospect that I'm calling in about 3 minutes. We spoke about life insurance, and there's a few options that are on the table for us. So fingers crossed he's ready to move forward with that, so I can have that on my book as well. It's been a super busy month for sure. I've had some events going on. I got the video back for the happy hour I did. It was a video recap of the event, and then the photographer says she's sending the pictures today. So I may post the video on Instagram or YouTube. Everything is always on my Instagram though. I post all that content on my Instagram, KennyJTV, same as my YouTube. But I'm very just grateful right now and just happy that all the things are working out. So I have a few more meetings today. I don't know why, but for whatever reason my calendar is not pulling up on my laptop, so I have to do it on my phone. And let's see what I have today. I have the meeting at 12:30, which is in 2 minutes. I have another life insurance meeting at 2 that I'm supposed to be binding. Then at 3:30, I have a podcast interview. And then at 5, I'm supposed to be going to this minority-owned business roundtable event at this restaurant in my local county. So I'll be going there as well. And then after that, my uncle is actually DJing at this restaurant, and my family's going. So I'm going to hang out with them for a little bit as well. A lot of things going on, a lot of follow-ups I've been doing this month, and just keeping my head in the ground. Next week, last week of September, I'm going out the country for, I think, 4 or 5 days with some of my friends. Cousin, it's her birthday, my dear cousin. We grew up together. We're basically brother and sister. And it's her birthday, so excited about that. Don't know if I'm going to record out there or not. I may be editing content at the airport, though. That sounds like a really smart idea to do. I'm looking forward to that as well. And then I was talking, I know this is kind of like a rant right now before my call, but I was talking to one of my friend came over yesterday, and I was talking to him about, like, I just want to kind of get away, but like be super like chill, secluded. And he sent me this really dope spot that I'm looking at going, and I'm very, 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 very amped to go there because it's like in the woods, cabin, no Wi-Fi, nothing like that. So I could really like just disconnect for a little bit. And I really think I need that because I'm always on go. Even when I go on trips, I'm always on go, going here, going there, seeing different things. We shall see. I'll keep y'all updated on that. So let me call him and see what's going on and see if he's ready to move forward with this quote. And were you leaning more towards the whole life insurance or the term insurance? All right, so I'll call you next Tuesday and we'll go ahead and put this life insurance in place. All right, well, you have a good one. All right, bye. That was a current client. I do his homeowner's insurance. He's looking to bind his life insurance, and we're doing that next Tuesday. He wants to review the numbers one more time, and I told him Tuesday because I'm going out the country next Wednesday, so I didn't want to, So I basically putting all the notes in my system and saying, hey, this is what we're going to do, so I can go ahead and just call him on Tuesday, get the information, and boom, 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 we'll be ready to go. You put it on auto pay, so you lose a little bit of that discount, so it'll be $102 a month if you do it with a card. That's fine? Okay. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna get to the payment screen, and then you'll be good to go. Pumped too, man. Nothing much. Just working hard, living the dream out here.
Love it.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
How about you guys? How's everybody's day going?
Living the same dream. Somebody's got that dream out there.
Yeah.
Somebody wants this dream.
And just excited to get to meet and talk to Kenny.
Yeah, so what's up, everyone? My name is Kenny J. Last name is Jones, but Kenny J just sounds cooler, so I'll go by that. I started in insurance in 2020 in the midst of a pandemic. I was with Enterprise Rent a Car. I was in like the management trainee program. I was promoted all the way up to an assistant manager, and it was getting very political, and I know I had to like leave. And then the pandemic came and it gave me an opportunity to leave and kind of do my own thing. I wanted to be in a career where I could help people, but it also was a very niche career, and insurance kept coming up. So I just got a referral from State Farm. It's for a condo. I think it's near the beach. So I'm going to call them to get some information and kind of go from there. And I need to follow up with this really big deal I'm trying to close today, waiting on the underwriter. So he needs it by today. So I'm going to follow up with him as well. And I'll be working pretty late tonight. Honestly, it's Friday, but I got a lot to do. So I'll probably be working. And then next week, as I stated before, I'm going out of the country, so I can't work as much as I'd like. So I'm trying to get as much done as possible now.